This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Lincoln MKS. It features a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, an 8-speaker stereo system, Sirius satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 51,000 miles on the odometer. The Lincoln certification includes the 200-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty, plus 24-hour roadside assistance. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Surratt Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 245 Springfield Street in Agawam.